Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking foundation sticks. So if you are on the go, gotta go, no makeup look, just want a quick 1-2, let's talk about it. The one that I wore recently was the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick, and I have it in the shade Praline. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's one of those roll-up ones, and I would say that this particular foundation was so creamy, hydrating on the skin. It blended out so well. I got a lot of compliments for some reason on my makeup look when I wore it, and I'm like, okay, it could be the base. And also I've been changing up my technique on certain things, on how I do my makeup, which I've been loving, and I just really thought that this was a really good foundation. This one blended out super well. It is nice and creamy, hydrating on the skin, and I think the flex component in here is just to say that it moves with your skin. So the smiling, the talking, the eating, face expressions and gestures, I think that is perfect for that. But this is a really nice creamy formula. It's hydrating, as I said, and it's long lasting on the skin. So again, this is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in the shade Praline. If I can find a link, I'll link it down below. But if you're looking for a stick foundation that's creamy, that you can blend out with a beauty blender or a brush, then definitely check out the Milk Makeup one. And also, if you are just needing something quick 1-2, stick foundations are going to do that for you as well. It's just going to glide with your face and just stay in place, you know. So I really have been enjoying that foundation stick, and it just brought me to think about all the other foundation sticks I have in my collection. I believe that these ones are perfect for, like I said, on the go, no makeup looks. Just wanted to do a quick, put a couple dabs on the face and some powder, bronzer, or whatever, and keep it moving, okay? The next one I'm going to talk about is of that nature. This is more so for that minimalist type of look, an everyday look. Maybe you're just going to work, you don't want to do too much. This is the Merit foundation stick. This is the Perfecting Complexion stick. I have mine in the shade Buff, and it has like a really precise tip, which I do like, because if you were interested, you could get this one in a deeper shade or a more cooler tone shade, and you can use it as a contour stick or a bronzing stick. So these are multi-use, which is what I like about these Merit ones. This one is super creamy when you put it on the skin, easy to blend out, and still gives that nice hydration type of look on the skin without doing too much. But this is a really nice formula as well. It is creamy, it does glide on effortlessly, and that's what I like about these stick foundations that I'm going to be talking about throughout this video. A lot of them are easy to blend, and that is what makes a great stick for me, especially when using a stick. I'm in a rush, I'm trying to quickly do something and just look put together and more cohesive, so you will, which is what I'm saying about the Merit one. It is a perfecting type of stick, so it is going to give you that your skin but better type of look and finish, which I really do like. I definitely use this on those days where I'm running errands and I still want to look put together, so I'll grab this one for sure. This last one I want to talk about is the Fenty Beauty foundation stick. This is the Ease Drop Blur and Smooth Tint stick, and this is what the packaging looks like. I have mine in the shade number 15, and it's so funny because I have, if you see my last video, I was talking about skin tints. I have the Fenty Ease Drop Skin Tint in the shade 17, but for this one I had to get it in 15, and this is also a twist up. I'm almost done with this one. So to me, just placing it on my hand seems to be a little bit more hydrating when directly placing it on the skin. All of these are easy to blend out with a sponge or a brush, which I really do enjoy, and they just give a really nice glow to the skin. This Fenty one is a little bit more lightweight than the other two to the touch, but they all wear very lightweight. You don't feel them on the skin when you're putting them on your face. So just keeping that in mind, but I will link them all below for you to check them out. Let me know, have you used a makeup stick, foundation stick before? Are you into sticks or a liquid foundation? Drop it down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.